Welcome to SEOLab Support, an all-in-one SEO optimization solution for Shopify. In this video, we'll walk through the SEOLab dashboard and show how to monitor and improve your store's SEO performance. The SEOLab homepage provides a centralized view of your store's SEO health, allowing you to track performance and identify optimization opportunities at a glance. On the left, the Performance Stats section displays SEO scores for key page types: homepage, product page, collection page, blog page. These scores help you quickly understand how well each page type is optimized for search engines. The SEO site score represents the overall SEO health of your homepage. The Speed Optimizer indicator visually shows how close your page is to optimal SEO performance. You can click Recheck Now to manually refresh the analysis at any time. The Speed Score section highlights homepage loading performance across devices: mobile speed score, desktop speed score. Fast loading speeds improve both user experience and search rankings. By selecting View Report of Homepage, you can access a detailed SEO report. Homepage Report, where SEOLab provides a detailed analysis of your store's homepage performance. At the top, you can switch between mobile and desktop views to understand how your site performs across devices. SEOLab evaluates your homepage across 4 key areas: performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO. The main performance score reflects how efficiently your homepage loads and responds. This score is calculated using real performance metrics shown below. These metrics include how quickly content appears, how stable the layout remains during loading, and how responsive the page is to user interaction. First, contentful paint. Time taken for the first visible content to appear. Largest contentful paint. Time for the main content to fully load. Total blocking time. Measures how long the page is unresponsive to user input. Cumulative layout shift. Indicates visual stability during page load. Speed index. Shows how quickly page content becomes visually complete. The screenshots visually shows how your homepage loads over time, helping identify delays or rendering issues. Diagnostics. Any detected issues are highlighted in the diagnostics section, along with estimated performance improvements if resolved. Past audits. SEOLab also confirms successful optimizations through past audits. SEOLab confirming that your site meets best practices such as optimized images, minimized code, and efficient script execution. Now move back to Dashboard and below Performance Stats. There is Competitor Analysis tab. This section allows you to compare your store's SEO performance against other websites. To analyze a new competitor, click Add Website in the top right corner of the section. Enter the website URL. Scan now. SEOLab will then scan the website and add it to the competitor list once the analysis is complete. Domain, the website being analyzed. Mobile SEO score, SEO, performance on mobile devices. Desktop SEO score, SEO, performance on desktop devices. SEO site score, overall SEO score combining mobile and desktop performance. Action, options to view reports, rescan, or remove a competitor. These scores help you understand how your SEO performance compares across different devices. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.